Okay, so here we are in Somerset Meadows. I'm going to walk you through the Adler floor plan. This one's already spoken for. However, there's another one at lot 38 that is available. And I just wanted to be able to show you. That one will be the flip side of this floor plan. So the kind of the mirror image, flip side of this floor plan. So just keep that in mind as we walk through. So this one has a 2-car garage attached here, and then it has the side load garage over here. Now the basement's going to be unfinished on this one. The builder doesn't finish the basements here in this development. So here we have the formal dining area. And then we have 2 bedrooms off to the right here when you walk in, and a coat closet. Now between these 2 bedrooms is a bathroom, so Jack and Jill bathroom. Here we have a powder bathroom. Here's the first bedroom. Jack and Jill bathroom. Full bathroom with the tub. There's another walk-in closet over here. Staircase to the basement. So the basement is over 3,000 square feet on this one, and this main floor is over 3,200 square feet. So pay attention in the sense that you feel all that light, or it's maybe hard to really kind of get a feel for it in video, but there's a tremendous amount of light coming in, pouring in here, and that's because this is the south side. We're facing south right now, so there's a tremendous amount of light, really brightens it up significantly in here, which is just wonderful. So this is the office area. Could be flex space in there, although it doesn't have a closet. And then here's the patio. And again, it's going to be flipped, right? So the patio will be on the other side of the house here. So just keep that in mind. Kitchen area. Let's see here. So we're going to have, the hood is going to be centered. And so the range will be centered. You've got cabinetry on the right and the left. You have upper cabinets here. And then I'm going to look over here to this wall, and there's going to be cabinets all along the whole length, except for the left side here is going to be the double oven. And you're going to have upper and lower cabinets there. Here's where the kitchen sink will be, and it's going to be a nice large slab up on top there, nice large countertop there. So I'm going to wrap around here. Here we have a large pantry area. Oops, hard to see. There you go. Large pantry area. Here's going to be an area for a wine fridge and a little countertop there. I'm not certain about the upper cabinet, if there's going to be an upper cabinet there. And then here is, there's going to be some built-in seating here. And then access to the 2-car garage, as well as this is access to the laundry room, and that laundry room, as you can see, also connects over to what you'll see in a minute is the master bathroom. So it's an excellent floor plan in my opinion. So just trying to kind of brighten it up a little bit here. So lots of light coming into this one. And this is the master suite. Sorry, it's too bright. A lot of light coming in, it's hard to get that just right in the video. So this is the master suite. Here's the master bathroom in here. Okay. So this you could enclose and make a closet area. It's going to have one shelf going across there. Here's where the toilet's going to be. There's going to be a freestanding tub here. Over here is the shower area. And then this is the countertop. There's going to be vanity and countertop over here. Large walk-in closet over here. And then there's going to be another countertop and vanity over on this side. So, and then it wraps around, and again, it connects over to that laundry area for easy access. So, so that's a good feel for this floor plan. And again, it would be mirrored the other way.